Are you a virgin? How long have you and your boyfriend been dating? What's the truth on your exes? So, do you think Bradley is the one? What's your body count? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Olivia, and today I'm answering questions I've been too afraid to answer. I've done a video like this sort of with my dad. I did asking my dad questions you're too afraid to ask yours, and I saw Sarah Joy do this video a while back, and I really think it was a good idea, so I'm gonna do it. So over the time I've been on YouTube and stuff, I've asked you guys to ask me questions, and there's so many questions that I just won't answer or haven't before, and so in today's video, that's what this is going to be. Can you not do that? So I wrote down a list. I asked you guys again pretty recently, which I asked on Instagram stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should definitely go do that. It's Olivia Mesa with 2 R's at the end, and all I can focus on is you goofball. But I wrote down a list of questions that were asked over and over again, and so I'm gonna answer them. They're in my notes. Let's just get into it. I don't want to scramble on. This is a very personal video today, me and you. You can't chew on that pillow. You can't. You can chew on your toy. Okay, let's get into the video. This is me and you, so let's get into it. Okay, so a question that's been most recent that I've gotten a billion times is, how long have you and your boyfriend been dating? So as some of you may know, I have a boyfriend. His name's Bradley. We live together in this very apartment. So yes, we've been dating since, okay, let's just backtrack. A little story time. Me and Bradley met and hung out for the very first time. Okay, we went to high school together, but he's older than me. He's 21, I'm 18, I'm almost 19. But so we went to the same high school for most of the time, except he transferred his senior year. But we never talked ever in high school because I was young, and he wasn't. So, and he also had a girlfriend all of high school. So yeah, so the first time we hung out was on November 2nd. It was the day after my mom's birthday. We hung out for the first time. It was just we Snapchatted from maybe October 30th, 31st, or is there a 31st? I don't know. But we started Snapchatting for a couple days, and we were like, let's hang out. So he came and picked me up on November 2nd. He picked me up from my house. I was nervous as heck because, it's awkward, but he picked me up, and then we hung out, and then we really kind of popped off. We really it was good. And I'm not like that. I've hung out with people and been like, oh my god, take me home. So yes, but we hung out, and then we've hung out every single day since then. So technically it's we've been dating since November 2nd, but we count us dating since November 11th. So we've been dating for oh, I don't even know. Let me look at my calendar. Next month it'll be 6 months of us dating, but we lived together, and we started living together on February 1st. Well, kind of honestly January, because he basically lived at my house, my parents' house. So yeah, we started living together after 2 months. Sort of, yeah. 2 months, well, 3 months, 2.5 months, we started to live together. But, and then we got a puppy, so yeah. So we've been dating for 5 months, over 5 months now, but yeah, that's how long we've been dating. I just told you guys that too long. That was too long of a spiel about that. That was stupid. But we've been dating for over 5 months. Okay, next question that I've gotten asked forever now. Are you a virgin? No, I'm not a virgin. Can you stop? I'm not a virgin. I've been drinking my coffee. I think I'm gonna have a little snack too, really quick. Little video break. Oh my gosh, my camera is crooked. But I'm drinking coffee, and I think I'm gonna have a Built Bar because you guys know I love my Built Bars. Sorry, Oakley. Built Bars are 100% real chocolate, zero guilt. This one specifically is the mint brownie one. and it has 130 calories, 17 grams of protein, and it's 100% taste. So I'm gonna have a little snack break right now. Sorry, I'll come back, but I'm gonna have a snack break. I just wanted to talk about Built Bar really quick. But yes, I've been absolutely loving these. You guys know I love them. I talk about them all the time, and I genuinely do recommend them. They're actually the best protein bar I've ever had in my entire life. They really crunch my cravings on chocolate when I have those. They're so good, so I definitely recommend. There's definitely been days where I've accidentally eaten like 2 at a time because they're actually that good. I feel like I'm eating a candy bar. So definitely go check out Built Bar. You guys can actually use my code OliviaMessler10 for 10% off of your Built Bar order. Go get some Built Bars. They're so good. Having a little snack right now. So good. Oh my god. They're so good. My mom loves them. My nana, my grandparents actually bought like a box. They love them. They eat them all the time. So you guys should too. Definitely go check them out. Use my code OliviaMessler10 for 10% off of your Built Bar order. I'm gonna eat this, drink my coffee, have a little break, and come back and answer the rest of the questions. This isn't a mukbang. I'm sure you don't want to see me smack on my Built Bar. I'll be right back. Another one. Why don't you have friends? You never have friends on your channel. I've like never really had friends. Yeah, in high school I had like a handful of friends, but I never had friends that like I've hung out with. Slumber parties, I was never like, just don't have friends like that. I don't know. People didn't really like me in high school. Maybe I was a bitch. I really wasn't. I just like looked like one walking through the halls, because most people would think that and then like talk to me and be like, oh, I know like you, and I didn't know you. And I'm like, okay. But no, I just don't really have that many friends. I'm not like someone who needs a billion friends. I'm not a partier. I'm not super duper social unless I have to be. But I'm like, you know, I'm not super social. So why didn't you get an apartment alone? I've gotten this question a lot on why I didn't just live alone before living with my boyfriend. My boyfriend's name is Bradley, by the way. I don't really like to just be like my boyfriend, my boyfriend, my boyfriend. In a lot of my videos I refer to him as Bradley, and that's because that's his name and that's my boyfriend. But why didn't I get an apartment alone? So I planned on getting one, but then this was before we met, and then we started hanging out, and we like randomly one day started talking about it, and we were just like, it wouldn't even make sense for us to get like separate apartments or a house or anything, because we'd either be at like each other's place 24/7. It would never be like one of us were just at our own place. We'd both be at one place all the time. So that kind of got brought up, and then we started just really getting serious about it, and we decided to live together. And now thinking back, like, I don't think I could do it alone. For the people, girls that do live alone, props to you. I'd be so scared and bored and lonely. So, but I think it just was meant to be that we live together, because it's been amazing. Oh, what's your body count? This is like a little personal. They go juicy to not so juicy to juicy. So what's your body count? My body count is 3. But I thought as if it was gonna be like 10. It's 3. Yeah, I've had 3. Well, I've had like 4 boyfriends, but I was like 15 when I had one of them, so that don't really count. But I've had 3 boyfriends. Do you smoke or vape? No, I've never vaped. I have smoked one time in my life, but I didn't really smoke. It was lettuce. Smoking that broccoli. Just kidding. But I was dating when I was 15. I was dating a pothead, like a literal pothead. Like, he was a pothead. I tried to make it stop, obviously, and he lied to me about it half the time and said he stopped, but he didn't. And then one time he was like, just do it once, try it once. I would always be like, no, no, no. And then he finally convinced me one time, and I absolutely hated the taste of it, and I didn't even like it. Like, I just was like, no, like, this was disgusting. I coughed, I wanted to throw up, I cried a little bit. It was so gross. I was like, no. So, no. I do not smoke or vape. I've never vaped, tried it, anything, but no, I don't smoke, and you shouldn't either. It's disgusting. So, ever been drunk? Oh my god, yeah, I have. You guys, are you guys gonna look at me different? Yes, I've been drunk because I dated like an alcoholic. He was literally an alcoholic. So it was basically, that was like, I never got drunk in high school or anything until this alcoholic I dated for like 4 months, and he like literally was like, just drink some, like you have to, it's like normal. I was like, okay. And then he got me so drunk. Hated that. I threw up so much. I don't recommend doing that. It's not fun. I don't understand how people are like, yeah, that's so fun. It's not fun. I don't drink at all now, thank God. It was just peer pressure. Don't give in to peer pressure, guys. Don't do it. If a guy you're dating also is like, just do it, tell them no, and if they ain't about it, then bye. So yeah, don't condone smoking or drinking alcohol or smoking in general. So how do you get a new boyfriend so fast? I've gone this so much. He's literally behind the pillows. But how do I get a new boyfriend so fast? I don't think, okay, this is such a weird question. I don't even know how to answer it just because it's like stupid to me. Really happened, and sure, you can call it fast. I mean, it was like a month, after a whole month or more than a month, and we like just hung out, and it wasn't like a hangout, like bad hangout, like we're gonna date or we're gonna do something or anything like that. We literally just hung out. We went to Starbucks, we went to Ron John's Surf Shop, we went to Chick-fil-A, we just drove around everywhere. It was like super wholesome and good, and we really hit it off, and he just became my boyfriend, which is not easy, believe it or not. You're probably like, girl, you jump from guy to guy, but I don't. Okay, I'm very picky actually. And so, yeah. Yep, okay. Do you think Bradley is the one? That's a really good next question. Yes, absolutely, 1000%. I knew from like the get-go. He knows. It's just so different than any other relationship I've ever had. It's so like healthy, and oh, I love him. He's the best. So yeah, easy answer, yes. I get this all the time. Are you going to college? Do you go to college? No, and no, and no, and no, and no, and no. I don't go to college. I said in the beginning, I'm taking a gap year, but I'm not going to college. When did you lose your virginity? When I was 16. Waiting till marriage. No. Why did you move in with your boyfriend so young and so fast? Again, it just made sense, and it happened like that, and I'm so happy and feel so blessed that it did happen. So yeah. What's the truth on your exes? So I kind of already explained that, but basically the first one, you guys, I just never spoke on that or told you guys or exposed that on here or on my social media for respect reasons, obviously, but it's so long ago, I don't even care. Also, I have no hate for him, so it doesn't even matter. It's just like he's the, I don't know. But he broke up with me like 4 times, and then he cheated on me, and then I broke up with him. And then we got back together, and I broke up with him again. And he was just like, not the one. Too young, high school. Doesn't count. The next one was literally so many red flags that I ignored. Should have not ignored them. Don't ignore red flags. You know what they are. Stop ignoring them if you have red flags. He was such a dickhead. Super narcissistic, obsessed with himself, super like he needed help. Yeah. Thank the Lord we broke up and that never worked out. Whew. Like it. And I have the best boyfriend ever. Here's a question. What do you do all day? Because I'm a full-time YouTuber. Hi, if you're new here, subscribe because it would really help me out. But I'm a full-time YouTuber, and I totally, like, I'm like a stay-at-home girlfriend and stay-at-home dog mom. I just remembered that I have laundry going and the dishwasher. Well, Bradley has the dishwasher going. So if you hear those things in the background, I'm so sorry, but that's really all the questions that I've never really answered. If there's more questions and you guys want a part 2, comment below those questions and let me know. You guys should definitely, oh my god, it's so cute. You guys should definitely go follow my Instagram for when I ask questions for these types of things, or I just do a lot of interactive stuff on my story and Instagram. I also have a giveaway coming soon here on YouTube and on Instagram, so you should definitely follow me on both to stay tuned for that. It's really, really fun and exciting. It's really random, of spur of the moment kind of giveaway. I just got this stuff and I'm like, this is gonna be great. Super excited about it. So follow my Instagram and subscribe here on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, thank you so much for 250K. It makes my heart feel full. Oh my god, he's falling asleep. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.